over. Drum roll. Samara time. Yes, guys. Yes. इतने शिद्दत के बाद and me cribbing over all reels that we don't have sponsors. इसलिए no biscuits with chai. इसलिए no this. इसलिए no that. Finally, we have our sponsor and we can't be happier. We have a chai partner. Now that I have my chai tea in, can you see this? Can you see? This is our first episode and we had to do something which is in our ideology per se, because from the very beginning when we started Don't Call Me Princess as a brand, we have always been trying to change the narrative. We have always been trying to have more and more representation of women leaders. So it is evident that when the second season starts and with such happy news, we need to do something which is as significant to our ideology as possible. And that's why we decided to talk about something which is very cliched, because there'll be so many, but haters will be haters, Someday I'll be living in a big old city and all you're ever gonna be is mean. I'm in a very Taylor Swift zone, as you can see with my red lips. It doesn't go with the outfit, but it's red. So if you remember in the last season, we did an episode about having right women inspirations, and we did an episode on Pooja Nadkarni, and it was an amazingly performing episode, and it was accepted so well by so many people on Spotify and other platforms as well. So when we decided to shoot the second season, it was very clear in my head that we need to start off with this topic, female inspiration, and we are so fashionable, as you can see, we thought, why not talk about women inspiration in fashion this time? And so today we have with us this amazingly cute, super cute fashion designer. That is me as a friend talking about her, but otherwise this super successful bombshell who is known for her super aesthetic range of colors in her designs, and she's so amazing that I legit don't have words to describe her, because I definitely consider her an inspiration. And today she's going to join us to help us understand women in the fashion industry and things which all the newcomers have, the questions, so many questions कि ये कैसे करना है, ये कर पाएंगे, कहाँ से चालू करना है, कितना पैसा खर्च होगा guys. And she one day, so when we became friends, she one day comes to me and tells me that Nikita, I started my business from the garage of our house. And I was like, you know what, we really need to talk to you about this on our podcast. And so without further delay, let me welcome Suruchi Parekh.
Hi guys, it's so nice to be here.
Really?
Nikita. Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, are you making this up because I'm your friend?
No, not really.
You're really finding this exciting. How do you feel? Because this is my general question, because it also gives me thinking time, that how do you feel to be on the show? Because I know
it's really nice, because I don't see anybody in Surat so far that I've met doing something like this, and this is really exciting.
Thank you so much. So, Suruchi, we have discussed this, what we are going to discuss in today's show. But I want you to tell our audience what we are going to discuss.
Alright, so today I think we're going to talk about fashion, all about fashion, that we're going to talk about women entrepreneurs and how to enter into fashion industry, and what all options would you have after doing fashion designing or designing in any other field.
Yeah, so I feel that let's start it from the last, what you said, okay? And then we go, let's change the narrative, change the discourse, okay? So, you said that what you need to know to be in the field, right?
Absolutely.
So now my question, I need to understand for a lot of people who will be listening or watching this, okay? Because there are so many kids who are dying to be in the fashion industry. I think it is one of the most lucrative as well as one of the most sought after and aspirational industries.
Absolutely.
So for them, what you feel that is it really important to have a degree in fashion before you enter into the industry, like have a brand of your own?
I would really say it is important to have knowledge about fashion. It is very important to have your personal choice of being in this industry, wherein you actually know that ये इसके साथ अच्छा लगता है. Fashion is not just about garment banana,
pattern cut
pattern
karna.
cut karna.
Yeah.
It is also styling. It is
True.
also, you know, you have a very huge industry which is majorly into pattern making.
Right.
You know, we as fashion designers, we don't understand the fact that it is not about kapra liya, kapra sil liya, and that is it. That is not fashion.
That's not
Right.
fashion, right?
So I think
वो तो master जी हो गया.
exactly.
Yeah, right,
And
right,
there is
right.
a lot of surface ornamentation, surface developments, embroideries, textiles, fabric, and any number of things that we can actually think of. So I think now that is very important for all of us to understand that designing is just not sketching. I think it's
Very important.
very important because
Very
you know
important.
when I was a kid, when
Hmm.
I wanted to get into designing,
Yeah.
I was always told that आपकी sketching अच्छी होनी चाहिए and then you're sorted.
Yeah.
No, it is not like that. For designing, I think it's very important for all of us to think with a different perspective, which
Very
is very important.
Right.
You know, if I make the same chair in the same manner, if I make the same mug in the same manner, what is the difference between you
Why
and
should
somebody
someone
else?
buy you? Why
Exactly,
should someone
right?
buy you? Right.
Selling point is that you have to be different.
True, very
Right.
true. Yeah. So don't judge me. I watch these things, okay? Like, and it's a very good show also. I'm watching it for Kusha Kapila and Santu Misra, but anyway, so I've been watching Myntra Fashion Superstar,
right.
okay? Myntra Fashion Superstar is, you know, they are getting like a group of content creators together and they have tasks and they are doing, and they're great with their styling. Some of them are good in terms of stitching and all, also they are recreating the garments they are picking up from the wardrobe and doing things. So but I have this when it comes to the garment industry here, okay, there are a lot of technicalities involved, okay?
Absolutely.
Okay, so I feel that like I can't help but think is the word, yeah, that you might be great in styling, but if you don't know the technicalities of the garment, can you be a great designer?
As I said,
Yeah.
knowledge is important.
Right.
Degree is not.
Got
Right?
it. Yeah.
Knowledge is important. Anything, any smallest of the things that you need to make or create, you should
True.
know how it is done. What is
Yeah.
the process like? What are the technical details?
Right.
I mean, a designer can be a tailor if you have a degree. Because
Right.
we taught.
Yeah.
We taught stitching. We taught how to make patterns. We taught how to make, you know, surface ornamentations and all of that.
Right.
But I think if you've not done a graduation course or if you've not done a course in fashion designing, but if it is out of your interest,
You have the skill.
to do it,
Yeah.
do it.
Go for it.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Go for
100%.
it. Yeah. You just need to understand what is trending. What is gonna sell. How you build it. That's what you're trying to say.
I think social media nowadays is so very there.
Yeah.
You know, you
True.
have YouTube to learn things. In our times, it was not there.
That's
And
right.
now you have everything right there.
True. Very true. Yeah.
And with COVID and everything is getting online. So
Virtual.
why not use it?
So, Ruchi, again, I've been binging on Myntra Fashion Superstar. So
Absolutely, I know that.
so they're like Manish Malhotra says this, that you know, my first styling budget was for just 2,000 rupees. And then they got like a task जहाँ उनको 5,000 में look create करना था and things like that. So I want to talk about budgets. Okay, I want to understand that to start a brand, like as a fashion designer, you know, you want to start a brand. It can be anything. It can be jewelry. It can be clothes. It can be shoes. It can be anything. You know, do you really need a very big budget? Because somebody to become designer, first of all, I'm saying designer brand, you know, because there's a difference.
There's a lot of difference.
There's a lot of difference between a fast fashion brand and a designer brand, because you become luxury.
Right.
In most of times
about
you-
bespoke or something
Bespoke,
like couture
yes.
line or something like that.
Absolutely.
Right.
So, what do you have to say about it? Like, do you think that somebody needs to keep this in mind कि नहीं मेरे पास इतने पैसे हो जाने चाहिए फिर I should start or something like that?
See, I think starting is out of interest,
True.
right?
Yeah.
But I think nothing makes sense if you don't have your pocket full of money, right? Right? So I think I would say you definitely need a good amount of financial support.
Backing.
Yeah, absolutely. And wherein I would say you can start small.
Right.
Small means like, you know, wherein your daily expense, like monthly expense probably I would say is somewhere around 50,000, 60,000, because that is the minimum you would need to procure fabrics to get the right kind of tailors, masters, or handwork, or
Anything.
whatever,
Yeah.
you know. But I think itna minimum is needed.
Yeah.
You can also do freelance
Yeah.
to earn that amount. You can also work as a stylist. You can work as a support system with a lot of brands just
Right.
to earn that amount, and
Yeah.
then again spend it on your brand to create and develop something of your own.
True.
Which is very important. So I would say when we talk about budget, each to its own.
Yeah.
It really depends.
Yeah. True.
How,
Very
how,
true.
you, how you want to develop it, or how do you want to expand it. What are your thoughts like?
Right.
But when I started my brand, I think I had somewhere around 3 lakhs in my pocket. And
This is so much. She's so nice. She's actually giving you this number. People don't. Okay. She's giving you, and this is very important. Please go ahead. Yeah.
I think I just had 3 lakhs in my pocket, wherein I used to work in a company for from 9 to 6.
Right.
And then after again, I would just come back home, go for sourcing, procure fabrics, talk with tailors, master, get my things sorted, again get up at 7 o'clock in the morning, hustle, khana banana, ye karna, wo karna, and all of that. And then again, but that is how I started, because I knew that I wanted to do it.
Yeah.
I knew what I wanted, right?
Yeah.
But like we discussing the budget,
Yeah.
I think each to its own. I would say something like that.
But there has to be a basic level of support system, like a financial support.
Support system, it is very much needed, because aapki expenses, machineries, technology,
True.
that is all apart from your monthly basic expense. 60,000, 70,000, 80,000 that I'm trying to say is monthly expense, other
Right.
than the technology that you would need to
Right.
make things possible.
And what about the budget that you should have in mind when you are looking for an education in fashion?
I would say I'm a scholar. Sorry.
I'm a scholar. Sure. Yeah.
But as far as I know,
Yeah.
like 10 years back,
Yeah.
it was somewhere around at least 2.5 lakh a year,
Right.
and a graduation project was multiplied by 4.
Multiplied by 4.
Right.
Yeah. The project. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So I think, but there are a lot of facilities and schemes that government has actually introduced now that
Okay.
you can obviously take benefit of.
Right. Right.
And
Yeah.
yeah.
So, I never asked you this. Why did you study Suruchi?
Papa ji ki clear hai. My father is an engineer.
Yeah.
My sister is an engineer. My
Yeah.
Gigi is an engineer.
Yeah.
My mom is a homemaker.
Yeah.
And I was never studious. But I was good at art. I
Yeah.
was good at painting. So if I happen to kind of show it to you,
Yeah.
someday I will.
Please do.
And I was basically an artist.
Right.
I would be interested in painting until like 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, and just sleep for like 2 hours, and then again start painting all that.
Right, right.
I never stopped painting even when I was in 10th or 12th.
Right.
Both worked. So my father knew that I'm not going to take science, be a scientist or an engineer or whatever.
Yeah.
But he knew that I'm going to be in a field which is very creative and innovative.
True.
And I was introduced to fashion designing at a very early age in my life.
Okay.
I was introduced because NIFT, National Institute of
Yeah.
Fashion Technology, was very close to my place where we used to stay.
Okay.
So there were a lot of students
Yeah.
who used to come to my place,
Yeah.
because we had 4 or 5 desktops.
Okay.
Because it was not a zamana of laptops.
Zamana of laptops, right? Okay.
We had a few desktops because Papa ka office tha, and they
Okay.
wanted to use softwares.
Ah.
So they would come to our place
Right.
because they could not afford a laptop at
Yeah.
that time. So they would come to our place and do their projects and then go back.
Okay. Okay.
And since my father is somebody who is very much into education.
Okay.
मैं भी पापा को बोलूँगी ना, पापा मुझे MBA करना छोड़ दो ये
सब छोड़ पढ़ाई करने जाओ. Yeah.
And as I said, I was introduced very early.
Right,
basically,
right.
To this, I used to go with my dad to NIFT because he had a project there. He was
Yeah.
developing machines for the college.
Right.
So when I used to go, I was like, ये कपड़े अच्छे हैं, ये अच्छा है, वो अच्छा है, फलाना अच्छा है, इनका. And that was the time I
You
realized that I want to be a fashion designer.
Ooh.
And trust me with this, I still have those slam books.
Oh.
Where I would write,
Yeah.
I want to be a fashion designer.
Aww, so cute.
I know, right?
Yeah. This is Suruchi Parekh uncut, guys.
And the best part is, my mom used to stitch her clothes.
Oh.
हाँ, so first standard was like fashion show था, first standard.
First
Imagine.
standard.
Fashion show था, and it's like, मम्मा मुझे सबसे pretty dress चाहिए.
मुझे सबसे pretty dress
So she
चाहिए.
made me a yellow gown sort of a thing. And my first prize लेकर आई थी.
अरे हाय हमारा बच्चा first prize लेके आया था.
So my mom would actually stitch those clothes, and then,
Right.
you know, I was very. So I started understanding fabric then.
Oh.
Since then, because I used to touch, feel, understand a lot of things, you know, and I think that is.
It was a calling.
Yeah, it was my calling that, you know, it's like I was made for this.
You made for that.
Yeah. And then when I joined a company,
Yeah.
it's like दिल टूट गया था मेरा.
She rolled her eyes. Okay, when I joined the company,
दिल टूट गया.
दिल टूट गया. Yeah, that is not what you wanted to do for
I thought
sure.
what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
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 But it was like my dad pushed me. बेटा हमारे घर पे कोई business नहीं करता.
हमारे घर नहीं करते.
We all service class people.
Yeah.
I was like, मुझसे ना हो पाएगा.
मैं नहीं होगा.
And then when I came to Surat, I was very annoyed.
Yeah.
That is how I came to Surat.
Yeah.
And I was like, I'll earn my own thing. Like I'll earn my own money, and then I'll start my business.
Okay.
So I did not borrow anything from my parents. Like, you know, I did not even take a penny from my parents to start this business.
Right.
I used to do job.
Yeah.
I used to freelance, and that is how I started.
So,
Yeah.
and now we have Suruchi Parekh.
Yeah.
Not this one, like मतलब
brand
this one,
Suruchi
the brand Suruchi Parekh. Saying that, like having said that, like you know about the brand Suruchi Parekh, again, I think all my fashion comes from reality shows, okay, and Vogue, of course.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So, so there's this show called Next in Fashion on Amazon.
I've seen.
No, that was Netflix. Sorry, making the cut in Amazon. So they constantly say something because we are talking the brand Suruchi
Yeah.
Parekh, right? They constantly say something. This competition is to judge you in terms of your skills, in terms of your understanding of fashion and trends, and ability to create a garment, and sell a garment by being a global brand. But you will also be the face of that global brand.
Right.
So it's very important. After every round they speak to the designers, and a lot of times they change their mindset and they decide कि अच्छा इसको निकालने वाले थे क्योंकि बहुत खराब उनका fashion show था. But you know they talked and they could change the mind because you know you are the face of your brand. You know.
Right.
Now when I'm looking at this show, there's a huge part of me which is thinking because in India, let's talk India, there has been so many of times that we have had designers who are not like celebrities, you know, like, you know,
Yeah.
but they have like been there and people wear them, people love them, okay? They might not follow them as an individual, but they follow the brand and they feel for the brand.
100%.
But I feel, I kind of agree with these shows which are saying that to be a global brand, you need to be a person who can represent that brand, alright? Do you agree with it as well? Do you feel that that is important? Because not everyone is like, I can be in front of the camera sort of a person, but mine can be very creative for all, you know?
I will not agree like 100%.
You're right.
Because I think my work should speak. Right?
True.
It is not my face.
True.
Right?
Very
It is my
true.
work.
Yeah.
I mean, that should speak for itself. And I feel that, you know, branding is important.
True.
How you brand yourself as a designer is important. But just for your brand, it is not important who you are.
True. Okay.
This is my personal perspective.
Right.
Because it
I'm trying to understand. Yeah.
Yes, yes. I mean, the design has to speak for itself, like I said.
True.
Rather than a celebrity just wearing it and we'll be like,
True.
oh, ये तो दीपिका पादुकोण ने पहना
True,
था.
true,
I
true.
don't want to buy an outfit because Deepika Padukone was
No,
wearing it.
I think those are
You know,
born gays.
it-
Yeah.
But people still believe in it.
Yeah. Right.
You know, people come to us and say that, oh, ये नीता अंबानी ने पहना था, मुझे ये चाहिए.
Right.
I think Neeta Ambani is spending bloody 4, 5, 10 lakhs, 50 lakhs on her outfit.
Right.
And why do you want to wear exactly what she's wearing?
It's a copy.
Exactly.
You know, yeah.
And if you want to do that,
Then wear the designer.
exactly.
Wear the designer.
Exactly.
Don't come to me and ask me to create a copy for you.
Right? So my whole point here is, it is the design which has to speak. I don't believe that we need to have a face. I would never read. People never knew me until now when
Right.
I have kind of started doing reels and all that.
Right.
So people kind of know. अभी भी मैं कहीं पे भी चली जाती हूँ, लोगों को पता नहीं चलता कि ये सुरुचि है. I went to get my nails done.
Yeah.
And I just said that, you know, you must have you have a booking with the name of Suruchi.
Yeah.
And there's this girl who's like, Suruchi Parak.
हाँ जी, मैं ही हूँ, मैं ही.
I was like, the answer to your question is both ways.
Yeah.
मेरा नाम सुरुचि पारक होने से it should not be like, you know,
Yeah.
oh Suruchi Parak,
Yeah.
you're the brand, so you know, hi.
Right.
It should just like,
Hi, Suruchi.
normal है, इंसान है, you know.
Right.
And as a brand, I should not be the face.
Yeah.
I think my work should speak.
Right. True.
If people like it, it is not because of me.
True.
It is just my brain which is working behind it.
Right.
And there's an entire team which is working.
Yeah.
It's not
Very
just me.
true. It's
right?
not very
So,
true. Huh.
This entire team has to be appreciated.
Mhm, mhm.
I'm just a zaria where how we're able to connect with the customers, direct customers.
Right.
And I think it's overall.
Yeah, because there's this enormous pressure on designers. Like, I am recently talking to a fashion designer. She's like a sustainable designer.
I love it.
All right, and she's just starting out. Okay, she's like just 300-400 followers on Instagram, and she's an amazing shoot. I'll share her profile with you. Okay?
Yeah.
She's like nice. And I see the amount of pressure they are taking to create content and push it out, be the face, because there's so much pressure.
It.
I know.
Social media all around. By God's grace, it
Yeah.
is nice that we have social media
Right.
and you know we're able to
Reach out to more and more
exactly,
public. Yeah,
right?
true,
Which is
true,
very
true.
very good.
Yeah,
But at the end of the day, it is so much of pressure of you know just being there.
I know.
I mean reels banao, stories posts zyada, then you have Pinterest, then you have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have n number of other platforms now.
and being in a tier 2 city, we don't even have enough big enough team for that.
swear,
सब कुछ करो.
I
खुद
need
ही
people
करो,
in
करो.
Surat. I really need people in Surat.
But this is so much fun talking about it, because as people, as women in fashion, like there's like constant questions coming up. Okay, like for instance now, because we are talking styling also,
Right.
we are talking anyone who wants to be in the industry.
Absolutely.
So it also includes fashion influencers,
Yes,
for
yes,
example,
100%.
or even a beauty influencer who starts like a fashion brand, because
Right.
they do.
Right, they do.
They do, okay? Bringing back to the thing that being the face thing is so much, like I understand that Huda Beauty when she started off, she was just a beauty
Yes.
influencer, and then she made like this multi-million-dollar company out of it. Those were exceptions. Now it's like every influencer suddenly goes out and starts a brand. Everybody wants to start a brand now.
Yeah, I was like, can you tell you,
Yeah.
influencers से जो बात relate होती है, everybody wants to, because they know how to style the product.
Right, very
Right.
true.
Doesn't mean that you can design it very well.
Yeah, right.
You know, you cannot have both the things.
अरे सब ले जाओगे क्या?
Designers का काम करो, मतलब stylist styling का काम करो. They're two different segments altogether.
Yeah.
But these influencers who have started with their own brands and they're kind of selling their own products.
They are
I know a lot of people in India who kind of
doing it. Yeah.
But I feel if you have interest towards it and you're doing it, then it is fine, it is nice and all the very best.
Yeah.
But if it is like, you know, just being there कि हमने ये भी करना है, अब हमारे पास पैसा है, हम ये भी कर लेंगे. It doesn't work like that.
Yeah. Because I think that is why constant pressure of these competitions also saying कि आपको global brand बनना है तो आपको face बनना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
Like, you know, because this is like the pattern,
This
na?
is like a pattern which is developing, but I would really, okay, so if you're talking about influencers, I would say Amrita Thakur, if you must have seen or heard
No,
about her, she's a fashion designer.
Okay.
She has her own page as an influencer.
And she's a
fashion-
designer, yeah.
ठीक है? But as an influencer, she's not kind of relating it. It's like fashion designing जो उसका है वो उसके पेज पे नहीं आता, personal page पे नहीं आता. She's not kind of promoting everything from her brand and doing things like that.
Right.
She is very inclusive of other brands, helping
Also.
other brands grow.
That's
Right.
important.
So if you're kind of doing something like that, then it makes sense.
Yeah.
But just because you're an influencer and you have followers
Yeah.
and you can sell the product and you're just making it,
Yeah.
that doesn't make sense to me.
It doesn't make sense. So, you know, you said that, like, I started with saying that so many girls, so many men, so many people, you know, want to associate themselves with the industry, okay? And a lot of times, a lot of them are indulging in the influencer route, then being a stylist. There's a difference, right? Influencers are great at styling, but they are not predominantly stylists.
Yes.
Majority of them are not styling anyone, you know. And then you come up with these campaigns, like brands come up with these campaigns which are like you know, somebody X somebody, you know, like
Right.
like Alaya did with Sakshi,
There are a lot of
you know, yeah.
brands
So
do that, yeah.
they do it, okay. So because a lot of times I feel that these kids or anybody who's interested, they feel that this can also be a way, because all you need is a camera to start out with.
Right.
Because nowadays content is also getting like fuck expensive.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, but all you need is a camera and aesthetics. Okay, I've seen this, like, you know, I have people who are originally from Guwahati, Assam, you know, and who are making it big
Right,
in the
absolutely,
industry
yes.
right now. And you know, when they were doing that, when they were kids, they are younger to me obviously, not many people were supportive. They're like, yeah, kya kar rahe hai? But I always have this notion, because I come from a very small city, right? You know, like,
Yeah.
it's, the mindset is
Very different.
very different,
Yes.
okay? But you know, like, I always used to see it like, okay, like, you know, okay, they are doing something ahead of their time at that time, you know, and now they are doing so nice, and they are doing, you know, collaborating with big brands like Nykaa, they are collaborating with Myntra, doing great things, you know, bigger brands are coming to date the ramp and, you know,
Right,
whatnot, you know. So do you think that the influencer route can be one of the routes of like entering into fashion if you want to make fashion?
I would say till the time you're earning out of it, everything makes sense.
सब पैसा पैसा है
अपना
सपना money money money
अपना सपना money.
yeah, so it is so
See, it is a part of it.
Right.
Yes. See, designing also has styling as a segment like we discussed earlier.
right.
Styling yourself to create content and influence other how to style it,
Yeah.
or how they can rewear it, or how they can, you know, change the looks and according to the season and blah 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 blah, blah everything.
Okay.
I think it makes sense, but you need to earn money out of it.
Yeah. It
I
should
mean,
be,
you know,
yeah,
it has to be appropriate.
a livelihood.
Exactly. you
Right.
know.
Let's discuss the last pointer that we wanted to talk about: women in fashion. Okay. Now, again, women in anything becomes a very cliche topic, and people like now. So I feel people just attack you. कि क्या यार same चीज़ बात कर रहे हो?
Right.
But I feel it's important to talk about. You know, how can women help women grow? Like, that is very important, I feel, in any industry, you know.
I mean, first of all, I would like to say what is that women for so long they have been, you know, they have not been working. I think our generation is almost like, you know,
Yeah.
हम में से काफी लोग काम कर रहे हैं, काफी
Yeah,
नहीं कर रहे हैं.
yeah, sure.
My family itself, like, you know, there are a lot of women who are not working. They're not allowed to
To
work,
work, right.
because they got married
Yeah.
and all that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
And so I think it is very important for all of us to understand that all of us have to be independent now.
Right.
And help each other grow in whatever manner we can.
Right.
When we talk about support, I think support system first has to come from the family. You know, mom ki generation, jo hai na?
Yeah.
I think it has to come from there, saying that, you know, oh, she's my daughter, she wants to do, she will.
Let her do it.
Let her do it. Not after she gets married.
Yeah.
But before she gets married. Let her be independent, let her work, let her earn, let her decide what she wants to do.
True.
Right?
True. Very true.
And then I would say once that happens, we as women, I think, should support each other, grow in a pattern where, you know,
Yeah.
help each other out. Yeah?
Taking a little step, like a small step of hiring, is also so important.
So
like,
important.
So important.
Yes.
And I think we should all, anybody who says ki you know, because we hear so much, like I come from an agency background, you know, and in agencies and places like that, you hear things like, mere interviews maybe I have been asked, and I was so naive, you know, that you're talking and like, they're like, okay, do you have a boyfriend? And in my interview, and I'm like, no. Okay, alright. So no shadi ka, no shadi ka conversations coming up recently. We're like, no, like so naive. After
Right.
2 years, then you realize, ki, oh, what the hell was that question? That was inappropriate.
Right.
Yeah,
But
but
people do ask that.
people do ask such
Yeah, and
questions.
they actually hire you on the basis of the answer that you give you know.
Absolutely.
They're like, oh, इसकी तो शादी होने वाली है, हम इसके ऊपर
इतना खर्चा क्यों कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, exactly, हम किसी और को hire कर लेंगे.
Exactly,
It's like
क्योंकि फिर भी बच्चा करेगी, फिर maternity leave देना पड़ेगा.
Exactly.
And I mean, for anyone who's listening to this podcast and has such thoughts, I mean, we just talked about Nykaa and we know what has happened after the IPO has come out, alright? So please understand that definitely women can work and work a lot better in heels also, you know? So yeah, like this little step. So talking about women in fashion, I think one person I would like to talk about here is I had this opportunity of working at Anita Dongre
Right.
for like the autumn season. After that I left because I hate corporate life.
Alright.
It was a great office, workspace, but I just couldn't do corporate because no matter how toxic the agencies were, I loved working in the agencies. But but I feel that she's this one woman I met in my life in the industry who genuinely tries her bit to do what she believes in. Like the entire office was eco-friendly because she genuinely believes in it. She moved to Navi Mumbai from Andheri because of
That's a
that.
very big unit in
Yeah,
Mumbai,
yes, very big unit there, and then obviously I think grassroots she started
Genuinely,
it.
yes.
Yeah,
Very
because
good.
she wanted to get into the full
And
eco-friendly
you know
thing.
what?
Yeah.
Also, Anita Dongre helps other women
Women.
with crafts.
Crafts
you know.
and
She got women from Kutch
Villages.
on the ramp.
Exactly. She adopts those villages,
Yes.
like you know, and some may call it a marketing gimmick, but I feel कि आपने opportunity नहीं दी थी ना. Yeah.
These are small gestures that matter a lot.
A lot.
You know, all the people like my mom
Mm.
is supporting me in my business, right?
Right,
I started
right.
my business then she was the one who was supporting me. So I understand what support is,
Absolutely.
right? If I have a lot of people in my company who are women,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
and they're young people, they're very young people who kind of want to work, want to do something.
I know.
Just that zeal of doing just helps them and us grow.
True.
Yeah.
True.
And I think when you talk about Anita Dongre, I think she is such an inspiration.
She is. Any day.
You know, the way she's built her brand, she's hired people, she's grown so big
Yeah.
with her, you
Yeah.
know. I think she also has a family support system. I think
She does.
her brother and
sister both are
in the same company, right?
company.
So that
Yeah.
also makes a lot of sense.
It does. It does.
So I think
Support system again.
Exactly.
That is
It
so important. It's important. Yeah, like having to build a brand, it's a lonely task.
Yes.
It
and
is.
you know, we as women, we can grind as a हम है ना कोई भी चीज एक extra level तक कर सकते हैं if we want to achieve it.
True.
We
Right.
will not give up
Will not give up. No.
at any cost. Like
Yeah.
ये करना ही है. We'll think of solutions to
To do it,
make
to
things
figure it
possible.
out, right? Yeah, right. True. So, Suruchi, it had been like an amazing time. I am sure my team behind the scenes also had like a great time talking to you. This brings us to the end of this segment. Okay. In this season, we are doing Spill the Tea, where we are asking our guests to spill some Karak stories for us. Okay. Alright. So Samara chai to Karak hai hi. आप भी बहुत करक हो. It would be because I feel little things give inspiration, okay? On personal level, I know you. Certain things of your life inspire me, but not everybody has that opportunity to know each of my guests personally, right? So I feel inspirational stories is always a go,
Absolutely,
and that's why we decided to change Spill the Tea for this season. And can you think of anything, like a little thing that you might have done or achieved? It's not at all apne muh mein muttu hona. I know this from school, guys. I know this from school.
You had to say it.
I had to say it. Okay. It's not about apne muh mein muttu hona, because what you share is going to be, it's just a story for you, but for a lot of people who are listening or watching this podcast, it's an inspiration to start something. So if there's something, we would love to hear about it.
Okay, so I would say that the only thing that you need is determination to do something. I started my brand with a garage, basement mein chota sa room, and just put in like 1-2 machines there, and then start with it. And I did not have any financial help then. And we soon used this parking space, and then we soon realized that, oh my god, now we need more number of people, we need team, we need to grow. Baaju wale ka parking space le liya. So he was also like, ठीक है दीदी कर लो. Very kind of him though.
Yeah.
So but I just wanted to tell one thing, that even if you start small, just make sure that you are there, you continue with the process, you don't give up. You have to think and find solutions for the problem and not create problems, for your own self.
In your
just,
head, yeah.
in your head, that oh ye problem ho gayi, ye nahi ho sakta. No, everything is possible.
True.
It's just the way you want to do it. And slowly and gradually how we started from there, and we have a team of not less than 100 people now. And this is in the span of 6 years. So if I can do it, I'm sure everybody else can.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you for your correct thoughts, Suruchi. Because I wanted her to share this, because I knew about it, and I definitely feel this is such a strong story, such a correct story, because सबको लगता है यार मेरे को फैंसी ऑफिस चाहिए होएगा स्टार्ट करने के लिए, क्योंकि also the pressure of social media, because you see only the good part and not the struggle.
And we have to understand, it is not about showing the world how fancy it is.
I know.
Whatever is there, it is yours.
Take pride in it.
Take pride in it. Yeah.
Definitely Karak hai. Okay, Suruchi, thank you so much for doing this with us. We had a lot of fun with you.
Ditto.
Yeah. So I know that I'm going to make this teaser, 50 Shades of Suruchi, and what you need to know and do is basically go and follow us on all our social media platforms, okay? The Rambling Teapot, Don't Call Me Princess Official, Samara Tea, our lovely sponsor, and of course Suruchi Parekh, who was here, okay? And if you want to buy some amazing shoes, Suruchi is also wearing our shoes.
I love them. I love it. I literally love it.
You can buy these amazing shoes from www.don'tcallmeprincess.in. I'm going to be back with the second episode. It feels so nice, right? Yeah, it's the second episode. I'll be back next Saturday, and you'll see all the fun teasers, BTS, and all these videos which will come up in the meanwhile. And yeah, just do your usual drill. And I'm gonna see you and meet you so that you can hear me, whatever, that basically. I will be there again on Saturday. Until then, stay calm.